Hello again, YouTubers. It's me again, and I have another project to do. Today, we are installing these letters onto the front of the bonnet. So, without further ado, this is a very simple job. It just require a bit of cleaning and undoing some panels, and these we just line very easily line up. In a moment, I will show you how to line this. Usually the kit, this is one of those 10 or 15 bucks letterhead from kit from China, and or bought it from AliExpress. So yeah, they usually comes with a template for you to line up on there before you actually stick it on. So yeah, but we do require some tools for removing the protectors and stuff, like a screwdriver and some cloth and some cleaner. But today we are going to use some quick detailer. The one I'm choosing is this. These, any brand, not necessary the Magua brand, but any cleaning quick detailer will be fine. Yeah, just keep a bit of clean, give the bonnet panel a bit of clean, and before we start the job. But at some stage, because some of these things requires two hands, so I might stop for a little while and then merge the footage together, and hopefully I'll get a complete clip that is viewable. Yep, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. Now, first of all, have to open the bonnet, or if you're in US, you probably know as the hood. So what we do is, put this aside, and yeah, we have to remove the bonnet protector, so or hood protector. So, struggling already with it. As you can see, I've installed one of those gas struts, so I'll make the job a lot easier. So without further ado, actually, with these, I think they just remove screws. Oh, okay, all right. So in this case, may not be needed to open the hood, the bonnet. So if that's the case, I'll just leave it down for a second. Oh, well, while I'm at it, I probably will take the headlight guard out for wash as well. So I'll do that. Yep. So what I'll do is lift this down. We just don't lock it, and just undo the screws and put somewhere safe. These bonnet protector, it depends on, this is a genuine Mitsubishi item, so it comes from a factory. As you can see from the other end there, yeah, it's a factory one. So so the removal procedure, if you don't have a genuine one, they look different. So you have to remove it according to the individual whatever model that it require. But this one is a genuine one, so I think it just remove from the bracket. You screw from the bracket, and it pretty much it. Hopefully. So nope. There's something else as well. There's something else. Okay, that's it. There's something else as well. There you go. That's another two screws there. That's hidden inside the rain channel. I knew it was not going to be that easy, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll undo it. Besides, they need a bit of a clean anyway, so we'll remove it. So we'll remove it. As you remove it, be careful. Don't drop it. Don't let it drop inside the engine compartment. The result will be catastrophic. Okay. One down, one to go. Now, as I undo this, it will probably go clunk, and the whole thing will go out of place. Well, as the rule of thumb, as you remove it, just use your phone or something, take a picture of it and see how it's mounted, as a reference. So as you try to put it back together, and you will all remember how it was done. So that so now, because now everyone have a smartphone, this will be a very, very good idea. Okay, that looks like the screw is screwed onto those nylon receiver there. Okay, now it should be able to come off. Oh, this thing is actually locked onto the nylon receiver there. So okay, all right, all good to go. Oh, there's another screw. Oh, me bad. That's another screw. Okay, this one had two. Okay, all right. Oh my God, that's another one. It's one here. Oh, my bad. Okay, this one might require two hands, so I just paused the video for a moment. So excuse me for a second. Okay, back again. Now, it happened to be like this. The middle screw, and it's screwed onto another nylon receiver there. So you should be able to remove it now. Oh my God, look at that. The whole piece. Okay, while I'm at it, I probably will give it a good wash. So, go down while I'm at it. Remove the headlight covers as well. They look very, 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 very grotty, and they're not good for these high definition headlamps. Yeah, because they every bit of the will actually hammering the illumination of the headlight. So they need to be cleaned every now and then, not just go into a car wash. They need to be washed properly. So for washing instructions, they probably just use a bit of sponge and a soap water. Will be fine. It doesn't need anything too harsh. Yeah, because they are clear plastic, don't use any solvent to clean them, because they will deteriorate. So yeah. Again, these are the original items. So if you bought one of those non-genuine one, you probably just clip on. So it'll be a lot easier. Yeah, so. Oh, that's another screw there. I forgot. As you can tell, I haven't done this for a long time. So. all else well, I need to remove that tab there, the whole thing. No. Okay, just put this one down for a second. Okay. Yeah, I just removed the whole tab there. Yeah, I couldn't be bothered. I think I might have a. I just don't know what this is. No, they're probably one of those nylon washers. They're not. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's not that important. To a hole. Anyway, because the screw itself is actually bigger than the pre-drill hole, so it should be okay. Yeah, I just removed the whole lot. Slide it out. Just remove the whole lot. I couldn't be bothered. It's a hot day. It's almost 35 degrees in the Celsius in the garage. It's very, very, very hot, very, very warm. So I couldn't be bothered. So now let's get on with the main subject of this project. Someone couldn't use the steering wheel again. Had to use our driveway. Good on you. Oh my god. Okay, this is the area here. So we need to use the cleaner to clean it. To my liking, I usually will use a multi-purpose cleaner to clean it first before I use the quick detailer. So yeah, so I will use that first. Sorry, I had to put the phone down again because I can't do squirting with one hand. So I could have put the tissue on somewhere flat and squirt it, but wouldn't be bothered. Anyway, so. Yeah, use the multi cleaner to remove some of the grime first, and the multi cleaner I use is the automotive grade one, not just the household one. This one I choose is this particular brand. Yep. Any brand of multi cleaner will do. Now all we need to do is to bring in the big gun. This is the quick detailer. Just wet the cloth one side. And just use the other side to wipe dry. So it looks clean now. Looks very clean now. Now, at this point, somebody will ask, "Hey, wait a minute. Your bonnet protector is black, and well, if you put the emblem on, would it cover it?" To a certain extent, yes, but during daylight, actually looked pretty cool. I actually saw somebody actually put it on and that way, and actually the car park looks pretty decent. So okay, all right. Instead that left the thing in the garage and gathering dust, I decided to just put it on. Okay. Otherwise, my wife will start nagging us there. We haven't got a very big house, you know. I've got a little junk in the house. Anyway, one thing I forgot. I just pause this video for a second. Yeah, the reason I have to stop for a moment is because we need to use alcohol to rub the surface down, clean down. to ensure the absolute adhesion. So wipe it down to avoid any of the contaminants. So now, we'll wait for a little while for it to dry off, and then it is application time. So I leave the adhesive and stickers on a hot surface for a little moment. And the way it works is, because the name of the car actually have odd numbers, so it's 9 letters. So the letter A will always go in the middle. Will always go in the middle, and then the rest will just like that. So in this case, it's it's a two-hand job. So we need to use a bit of masking tape to secure this template in the middle, and then we'll start work away from the outside to the inside. So have to pause for a moment and get some masking tape. Okay, now I just figured out that this is another type. It's not the same as the type I used before. Now this one is actually, you need to separate it. See, there's a notch there. You need to separate it, but you work from but the principle is still the same. You still work from the letter A in. So without further ado, we'll get onto it now. Almost dropped it. Almost dropped it. Okay, so I had to. There's a backing at the back, so I had to peel off the backing, and then stick the letter on. So again, this is a two-hand job. So I'll just pause the video for a second. As you can see, it's a very time-consuming process. So you need every letters you worked on, you have to press it down for at least 30 seconds before you move on to the next one. So with that board, what I'll do is I will start this one, and then I'll do the next one, and then I'll finish, and then I'll stop it, and then until I work on the other side, I will, as I work on the other side, I will start the video again with that, and then we'll wrap it up. Okay, let's give me a second. Okay, now what happened now is I finish this end now. So every letters, I have to place my fingers there for at least 30 seconds before I move on to the next one. So the backing tape of this kit is actually out here now. So what we'll do is we grab the other end of the sticker, or the emblem, and we have to match it there, and then continue the job from there on. As you can see, so you need to match that there, so it will so the template will be continuous, and then we'll just stick this the letters according to the bonnet crease. Usually with the last one is the most difficult one to do, because they usually sticks on really well to the backing tape, and as I experienced it on the letter R there, and so yeah. So with the other one, because it is on a loose sheet of sticker instead of a template, so with that one, I have to work from the outside to inside, but this one is from the inside to the outside. So okay, it's different again. So before you make a purchase, you make sure you understood how these things is applied before you make a commitment. That will save a lot of hassle. Okay, now the back stickers done. And just pressing the last letter on the bonnet. That should do it. That should do it. That should do it. That should do it. It takes about. It did say that you're not supposed to go into the car wash for at least 24 to 48 hours. Well, yeah, I think that is a very, very good idea. And now I'm just peeling the template off carefully. The template is not sticky, but the tape that stick onto the letter itself is sticky. So you need to pull it gently and carefully. Make sure it's a clean off. Okay, we'll just leave it there for a second. I think the L is a little bit off at the moment, so we apply more pressure on it. Now I'm really concerned about the letter A because it's actually on the crease. We'll see how it goes. That's use okay. The letter A. The letter E and the letter R was very, very sticky as I applied on. Okay, I'm having trouble with this now, so I'll start from the other end. The R still not set properly. Apply a bit more pressure on it. Come off, please. Please come off properly. Okay, cool. Now, because it was sort of lifting there, I'll give more pressure on the E again. Okay, that's cool. Okay, that's it, and it's done. Later on, we post some pictures on the Outlander group and see how it goes. And basically, that's the job done. And with the bonnet protectors and the headlight cover was just a reversal of what I just did. So I don't think I will port you. I think I bored you to death with the application of the stickers. I mean the emblem. Yeah. Again, this is a very, very patient testing job, so that's why it took so long. And without further any more explaining to do, because if you really rush off the job, they will not stick. And also, I choose to work on it with a warm engine, because the heat will actually helps the sticker sticks on more effectively. So yep, and this is my tip of the day. So again, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for you guys sticking around to the end of the video. And you guys been very patient. Thank you very much for watching once again. And without you, I don't know whether I'm doing the right make the video correctly or not. So again, YouTuber, thank you very much for watching. And if you found this video is useful, please tap that like button underneath, and so let YouTube know that this video has been useful. And if not, please make a comment underneath, so we can improve next time. And I'll try to invest in a better camera than just using a mobile phone to film this. Once again, thank you very much, everyone, and and you guys have a very good day. And thank you very much for watching. Once again, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for sticking around, and I'll see you next video soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye.